Hey everyone, so today's video is the 6th video in the series where I try really popular and expensive bougie skincare. Like the last time I tried some Clinique products, I tried ANR, I tried Pixie Glow Tonic, and in today's video I'm gonna try the Farsali Rose Gold Oil and Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil and the Glamglow Supermud Mask. So I hope you're excited, and I'm gonna share my thoughts by the end of this video, like how I feel about these products, and I'll also go deep into the ingredient list. Before starting, I just want to share a little bit of the backstory behind making these videos. When I started my skincare journey, I had no idea what is a toner, what is a moisturizer, what is active based skincare. So it was very difficult for me initially, but I educated myself and I had the money to buy only one toner, only one moisturizer, and only one serum. So I wanted to invest my money in the right products. So I saved some money and I tried Pixie toner and ANR and Clinique moisturizer, and I shared my story with you guys, my journey with you guys, and you seem to love it because my review was so honest. So basically this video series started from helping myself to helping you, and don't worry, as usual we will deep dive into the ingredient list and we'll discuss what's good, what's bad. And also, if you have any expensive skincare in your mind, do let me know in the comment section. Let me waste my money and then I'll share my thoughts on it if it's really worth the money. So let's get started. Now let's start with the Glamglow. It's the bougie expensive skincare line. They have a lot of mask, peel off mask, and super mud clearing treatment is super popular. So I'm gonna share my thoughts on this one. And they also have flash mud brightening treatment and glow starter mega illuminating moisturizer. This is a kit actually. It's available on Nykaa. First I'm gonna try the Glamglow Supermud clearing treatment, and this treatment is super popular and their mantra as a brand is to provide the instant glow. So first I will talk about the ingredient list and then I will share my personal opinion, thoughts on this product, like how do I like it and how do I like to use this thing. It has glycolic acid, it has lactic acid, and it has salicylic acid, AHAs and BHAs. So AHAs work on the surface level of your skin. It removes the dead skin cells and extra dirt from your surface, and the BHAs like salicylic acid works on deeper level of your skin. It removes the extra oil and sebum, and it works on the acne, which is good. And the key ingredient in this is kaolin, which is a type of clay, and it acts as an absorbent. It sucks up the excess sebum and gunk from your skin, which is so good for oily T-zone, or if you have blackheads, whiteheads like me. I love some clay mask for my oily T-zone, and it also has mandelic acid, which is a type of AHA, and it comes from bitter almonds. It also has eucalyptus leaf powder, which acts as a scrub. I think that it is good for those who have oily T-zone and who have problem of whiteheads, blackheads. I suffer from oily T-zone. I am a normal skin type, and when I used it on my whole face, my skin reacted to it, which is weird because I never react to anything. I try so much of skincare, but I never reacted to anything. So I only use it for my T-zone only, and it removes my whiteheads, blackheads, sebum, oil production, and it also controls the oil production, which is really good. Like clay masks are really good for those who have oily T-zone. So if you are oily T-zone skin type or oily, this would work for you. But if you are dry skin type, I think you should stay away from it. I also tried the flash mud brightening treatment. It's a scrub, and I'm not gonna put this ever again on my face. I tried it and it burned my skin. It doesn't suit my skin, you guys. I am not gonna talk about the ingredients because I just did not like it, not even 1%. Okay, and now let's move on to their moisturizer. This is their glow starter mega illuminating moisturizer. It's a tinted moisturizer, you guys. It's like a MAC strobing cream, but I prefer MAC strobing cream, so I don't think it's worth the money, but I think I will be able to use it, so this is good. Now let's talk about the Farsali Rose Gold Oil Elixir. It's a beauty oil, it's a medicinal potion, and it has 24 karat gold, which is why it is so popular, widely popular. It also has safflower seed oil, kusum, which is also a plant oil, and it is rich in fat fatty acids. This plant oil also contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, and it also has pumpkin seed oil, 24 karat gold, which is a colorant only, that's it. It has no benefit to your skin. Now it has one ingredient which I highly dislike, orange peel oil, which is an essential oil, and it is used for perfume purposes only, and it is mildly phototoxic. So I don't get why there is a need to add this orange peel oil in the skincare products like a beauty oil. But even after the perfume, this doesn't smell good. Now let's talk about how I feel about this oil. There are a few ways to use this oil. You can use it during night time in your night skincare routine as a beauty oil, and you can use it by mixing it with your foundation, which is how I used it today. I mix it with my foundation and my MAC strobing cream. Okay, so I feel a little bit biased in my review about this beauty oil because first of all, it comes in a beautiful packaging. It's mind-blowing, you guys. And the oil itself is so beautiful. It looks so gorgeous, especially if you are a makeup artist or if you do makeup on Instagram. It will look so pretty. And yeah, I think that's what it's for. However, I will not use it directly on my skin because I feel suffocated after using oils on my skin. So I mix it with my foundation, and that's the best way to use oils. That's how I feel about the oils. And yeah guys, I think you should give it a try. Like, I like this oil. The rose gold oil is so pretty. It is also loaded with gold flakes. Like, do you see? It's loaded with gold flakes. So before moving on to the next skincare, do I recommend this to my subscribers? Yeah, I like it. It's so pretty. It's really pretty, and I know it's expensive, but it's an experience. If you can afford this, definitely give it a try. It's so pretty, really beautiful. I feel like trying their liquid glass as well. So if you want me to try some more skincare products, do let me know in the comment section. Also, the ingredients are so good in this one except the orange peel oil. Rosehip seed oil is a plant oil. Plant oils are really good for your skin, and rosehip seed oil is a star ingredient. Like, I don't know why I did that, but it's a star ingredient. It's really good for your skin, and I prefer rosehip seed oil for myself. I like it and I recommend this. After my ANR review, you guys wanted me to review Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and I have this bottle here. So it is alcohol free, which is good, but it has fragrance, which is not good. It's a nighttime oil, so you're supposed to use it in your night skincare routine, and it's loaded with plant oils. And the evening primrose oil is rich in fatty acids, which is very moisturizing for your skin. Fatty acids are very moisturizing for your skin. Turmeric root extract is really good for acne prone skin types, and it also has squalene, which is a dry oil, non-comedogenic dry oil, and it makes your skin non-greasy. Now, sunflower seed oil is one of the most commonly used plant oils in the skincare. It enhances your damaged skin barrier, which is really good for your skin, especially in the night time, because that's when your skin heals, and it is a great emollient. I feel that this serum is not for summertime because it is slightly on the heavier side as compared to ANR, and you can use it in your winters, or if you are seriously dry skin type, it will be very moisturizing. But if you're oily skin type, I would say stay away from it. I'm normal skin type, and still it felt a little bit heavier on my skin, so that's that. And it also has some fragrance into it. It's not very pleasant, so that's something. And also it is not for summers, so make sure that you don't use it in summers, use it in winters. And the quantity is good for the price, but honestly I'm not a fan. I can do without it. I just feel that it's a little bit heavier. If you like beauty oils, then you would like it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon on next Sunday. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe, please.